Welcome to a journey into the future of green technology, where we explore the power of artificial intelligence. This is a world where data is the new oil, and AI the engine that powers it. The impact of AI and big data on our lives is profound. They're shaping our economies, transforming industries, and even helping us fight against climate change. But here's the paradox. While AI is our tool for environmental sustainability, it can also be a source of environmental concerns. Just think about it. The cloud now has a larger carbon footprint than the entire airline industry. A single data center can consume as much electricity as 50,000 homes, and training one AI model can emit as much carbon dioxide equivalent as an average American car's lifetime emissions. Indeed, the relationship between AI and the environment is a complex one, but don't let these figures scare you away. Remember, every challenge presents an opportunity. Now let's delve into the fascinating yet complex world of AI and its environmental footprint. The environmental footprint of AI and big data is an issue that has been gaining traction in recent years. Our growing reliance on these technologies is driving an unprecedented surge in energy consumption and carbon emissions. Let's delve into some startling facts and figures. Imagine a single data center, a hub of servers and cooling systems, consuming as much electricity as 50,000 homes. That's not a plot for a dystopian novel, but a reality we are living in today. The energy-intensive nature of these data centers contributes significantly to our carbon footprint, a concern that is often overshadowed by the benefits of digitalization. Now let's turn our attention to AI, a field that's reshaping our world in unimaginable ways. However, there's a hidden cost to this revolution. Training AI models, a process that involves feeding vast amounts of data into algorithms, is an energy-intensive task. So intensive, in fact, that one model can emit more carbon dioxide equivalent than an average American car's lifetime emissions. And then comes the cloud, a term that sounds light and fluffy, but carries a weighty environmental impact. Astonishingly, the cloud now has a larger carbon footprint than the entire airline industry. That's right. The invisible data highways in the sky are leaving a more significant mark on our environment than all the airplanes combined. These numbers are staggering, and they point to the urgent need for sustainable practices in AI and big data. The wisdom of harnessing technology for progress is undeniable, but we must ensure that this progress doesn't come at the expense of our planet. It's a challenge, yes, but also an opportunity for us to innovate and evolve. Because the future of our world depends not just on how smart our machines become, but also on how wisely we use them. The exponential growth in data and energy demand could hinder global progress on climate change. It's a stark reality we're facing as the digital revolution leaps forward and technology becomes more entwined with our daily lives. Imagine this: the cloud alone has a larger carbon footprint than the entire airline industry, and one single data center can consume as much electricity as 50,000 homes. That's an enormous environmental impact, and it's only the tip of the iceberg. When we train AI models, the energy required is so significant that one model can emit more carbon dioxide equivalent than an average American car's lifetime emissions. Let's pause and think about that for a moment. We're in a race against time to combat climate change, yet our technological advancements, designed to improve our lives, could be unintentionally throwing fuel on the fire. Every byte of data, every AI model trained, each adds to the energy demand, the carbon footprint, and ultimately, the climate crisis. This is the paradox of progress. As we innovate and evolve, we must also account for the environmental costs of our technological leaps. Without addressing these issues, the digital revolution could become a double-edged sword, where the very tools we create to solve our problems could impede our efforts to combat climate change. The potential consequences are sobering. Rising global temperatures, more frequent and severe extreme weather events, loss of biodiversity, increased food and water insecurity, and the displacement of millions of people. But this isn't a future set in stone. It's a path we can divert from, a challenge we can rise to meet. It's a delicate balance, but it's within our power to strike it. The challenge we face is clear. How can we harness the power of AI without exacerbating the climate crisis? But all is not lost. There are ways to mitigate the environmental impacts of AI and big data. This is not just a hopeful statement, but a call to action. As we delve further into the digital age, it's crucial that we balance innovation with sustainability. One of the key solutions is improving carbon accounting. By understanding and monitoring the carbon footprint of our digital activities, we can better manage and control their environmental impact. This process involves quantifying the greenhouse gas emissions from activities like data storage and AI model training. It's like keeping a checkbook for our emissions, and with better accounting, we can make more informed decisions. Next, let's consider the carbon footprints of AI models. Training an AI model can consume significant energy, sometimes even more than the lifetime emissions of an American car. If we can estimate these footprints, we can work towards reducing them. This might involve designing more energy-efficient models, or reusing and recycling existing models where possible. The location of data storage also plays a vital role. Data centers, the heart of our digital world, consume vast amounts of electricity, some even as much as 50,000 homes. By choosing locations with renewable energy sources or cooler climates, we can decrease the energy needed for cooling these centers. Transparency and measurement go hand in hand with these practices. By being open about our carbon footprints and implementing rigorous measures to track them, we can hold ourselves accountable. This transparency can also foster trust and collaboration, leading to more innovative and sustainable solutions. Finally, following best practices for energy efficiency is a must. Whether it's optimizing code to run faster or designing hardware to consume less power, every bit helps. It's the collective effort of millions of small changes that can lead to a significant reduction in our environmental impact. By adopting these practices, we can ensure that the future of green technology is not just a dream, but a reality. Let us remember that the power to shape our future lies in our hands. It's about making conscious choices today and every day, because every bite counts in the world of AI and big data. The future of green technology is a fascinating field, teeming with potential and challenges. As we've discovered, the expanding use of artificial intelligence and big data comes with a significant environmental footprint. As surprising as it may sound, the cloud now has a larger carbon footprint than the entire airline industry, and training AI models can emit more carbon dioxide equivalent than a lifetime of driving an average American car. However, the same technology that creates these challenges also holds the key to overcoming them. By improving carbon accounting, estimating the carbon footprints of AI models, considering the location of data storage, increasing transparency and measurement, and following best practices for energy efficiency, we can mitigate these impacts. The road ahead is not without obstacles, but with the right choices, we can ensure that the future of green technology is not just a dream, but a reality. As we continue to unleash the power of artificial intelligence, let's ensure we do so responsibly, with the future of our planet in mind. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of green technology. As we delve deeper into the realm of green technology, melding with AI and big data, we understand the critical role of a knowledgeable and active community. If this journey into the future of tech has piqued your interest and you wish to remain engaged and contribute to this transformation, we have a straightforward request. If you like this, please give it a like. Share it amongst your friends, colleagues, or anyone who you feel would value understanding the environmental impacts of AI and big data. Let's initiate discussions, pose queries, and inspire each other to think deeply about how we can steer technology development in line with our environment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more revolutionary tech insights. Participate in this journey, as each video we produce aims to shed light on a different aspect of the tech realm, supporting us all to comprehend and shape the future. Together, let's keep exploring, understanding, and growing. Let's build a future where technology is a service to not just us, but our planet too. Thank you for your presence.